healthy green breakfast smoothie muffins. I find that my kids, they hate oatmeal, but they don't hate muffins. So
if they don't know it's oatmeal.
Exactly.
Now this is the brilliant part. Or if they think they hate oatmeal, but then you let them see that you made something yummy that looks like a cake.
Exactly.
Right? Then they get over themselves.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
It's like that old adage, if you can't beat them, lie to them. So we're gonna go, this is super easy.
Okay, if you learn nothing else out of this segment.
Just take that away from today,
If
guys.
you can't beat them, lie to them. Good job.
All right, so we put the oatmeal in, the oats. I mean, guys, let me just preface this by saying I am not a chef. I'm not like this woman here. So if I can do this, you guys can do this. Anybody out there
can do this.
Anybody.
The kids can do this with you,
The kids can do this, too. My kids could probably do this better than me. My kids aren't left-handed like I am, so they truly would make better muffins. We're going to pour the vanilla in. 2 eggs. They've been cracked for me because I told everybody in the back I shouldn't be cracking eggs. They'd go all over me. This is cinnamon. Okay.
Oh,
We've got,
good.
right, some salt. It's so easy, guys. You can make this in the morning so fast. Some maple syrup.
Yum.
Right, that's
I'm
fun.
an upstate New Yorker. You know we're maple syrup loving people.
So you have the best out there.
Yes, we do.
Oh, nice. All right, look, 2 bananas. I mean, guys, am I ridiculous with how I'm peeling this guy?
You know, my sister,
had a life. This banana has lived a life.
Do you freeze your bananas? Because my
I do.
sister, when they get to this point, you know, when they get really sugary and they're going to go south, my sister Maria, she's a wonderful baker. You guys know that. She pops them in the freezer.
But you know what Jason? You know what Jason did? I said, "Can you freeze these for me?" And he froze them with the peel on.
Oh,
that wasn't that helpful.
That's not as helpful. That's not as helpful.
That wasn't as helpful.
Because then you have to, like, you know, defrost them to peel them again.
Exactly.
Right, exactly.
All right, so this is a little baking soda. And then whatever alternative milk you want. I think this is almond milk today. Okay.
It's whatever you want it to be.
Whatever
Just
you want it to be.
put it in your head, whatever you want it to be.
Whatever milk you prefer. I'm a little scared. This is the moment of truth.
Let me turn it on.
Please.
Oh, it's getting exciting. You did it!
Do we want to pour it, or can you guys just pretend that I...
You can pretend.
See? Okay.
You can do the skip aheads. Get to the
let's
cute
skip
stuff.
ahead.
Get to the sales point here, because it's so cute.
So they go in the oven.
All right, whatever.
Magic of TV.
It goes in the oven, blah, blah,
Magic
blah.
of TV, they're back. You throw one in the lunch. My kids are obsessed with these, and it feels like such a win because it does seem like a cupcake. So they love it in the lunch. It's like a little...
looks like an actual... I'm gonna try it.
Try it. Tell me what you think. Sometimes I add dates for more sweetness.
It's so delicious. It doesn't need any more
It doesn't
sweetness.
need it, right?
I think it's delicious. I really do. You can get a copy of this book, Dictator Lunches. It is out now. Congratulations.